Let's light it up. What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 25 S650 RTR. Today we're going to be installing a new set of RTR puddle lamps. So I have, as you can see, the standard running pony on this beast. So we had received an awesome set of RTR puddle lights, puddle lamps, whatever you like to call it, from RTR directly, which are pretty hard to get. So we're just going to go over the quick install of what it takes to do this and how they look. So hopefully we should only need one tool. Found this, and everyone has a junk drawer, little glass kit with the mini flathead. You just have to pry right here to drop this out and we'll be able to replace them. So let's get to it. All right, so first thing you want to do is take some masking tape and you're going to cover up underneath the side mirror where you're going to insert that flathead just to prevent any scratching. Just a trick of the trade that I've learned along the way of working on these cars for so long and screwing plenty of things up. So we'll put that in there like so. Then shove your little flathead in there as much as you can. It'll catch that groove. Bam, walk it right down. And you can disconnect this here. You'll see right here, it is white and it says RH for right hand. Take out our new RTR one, also labeled RTR right hand in white. Now we'll plug this in. And then it's tough to make out on the video, but there's a little channel that's on the inside. Here, you need to make sure that you feed the wire and this connector all the way to the outside of the car to get it to seat in that channel. Otherwise, you're gonna get some resistance when you're trying to put this back in, that it doesn't fit. So make sure you slide that all the way in so that you can get this side seated like so, and then snap. And she's in. Let's give her the test. Oh, she's on. All right, guys, 5 minutes later, both lights are in. Let's give it the test. Ooh, gotta turn off Mr. Chrome Snake, you know what I mean? Bam! RTR, what's happening? Look at that. Let's check out the other side. Ooh, peep that deck lid. There we go. RTR. Pretty crisp. Looks good. Lets everybody know, even in the nighttime, you're rocking the Ready to Rock. So super easy install. Adds a little bit of customization, some more flair to the car. Makes it a little bit different than your standard pony. So overall, very nice product, direct fit, no problem with fitment or installation at all. Thank you to the guys over at RTR for sending them to me, and be sure to check them out. Another good product, and stay tuned for more Mystic Chrome RTR Spec 3 content.